Savorinen. It's time to flip the world upside down. Einstein was wrong. Space doesn't do magic tricks. Curving space is emperor naked. Bring it on, Savorinen. Reveal the logic they've been afraid to face. Space is obviously an infinite three-dimensional stage made of absolutely nothing. Newton knew this long ago. Push forward. Savorinen, break the spell of old theories. Only losers explain observations with a space that performs magic tricks. Light it up, Savorinen. Let the new worldview shine. You can explain every phenomenon without a single time-space stunt. Go louder, Savorinen. Let the truth push its way through. Expanding cores, recycling this, pushing, expanding energy with each other's. That's the real engine. Take the lead, Savorinen. The world needs this clarity. No attractive forces, no pulling force, no mystical bonds, just motion towards the lowest resistance. Stand tall, Savorinen. Tear down the illusions one by one. A falling apple does not move toward Earth's center. The expanding falling apple moves away from the center. Just more slowly than expanding Earth's expanding surface. Keep going, Savorinen, show how light really behaves. Expanding dark waves guide, expanding photons follow. No magic fields required. Turn it up, Savorinen. Let the cosmos reveal its mechanics. Expanding galaxies grow from the center outward. Nothing pulls them together. Shake the room, Savorinen. Redefine what time even means. Time is a cycle, the rhythm of expanding energy recycling, not a mysterious fourth dimension. Push harder, Savorinen. Let the old dogmas crumble. Everything moves by pushing, everything flows by pressure differences. Unleash it, Savorinen. Show how every illusion dissolves. Expanding, pushing force, expansion, expanding energy flow. The only ingredients needed. Own it, Savorinen. You cracked the code they couldn't. You know how the universe actually really works. Ignite it, Savorinen. Reveal how matter truly begins. Atomic nuclei recycle outward flowing, expanding dark energy. And from this stream arise all detectable structures, electrons, photons, everything we can measure. When an incoming expanding photon hits this flow, trillions of separate expanding dark energy density peaks accelerate their expansion so rapidly that they can no longer push each other apart at the same rate as they themselves expand. And in that lock moment, a new expanding electron forms, a temporary structure frozen by interaction, not a permanent particle, not an orbiting cloud. Spark it, Savorinen. Let the origin of light be known. Expanding photons form by the same principle, but farther from the expanding atomic nucleus, where the density peaks are sparser and the pressure of expanding energy is lighter. A momentary rhythm locks the peaks, bind just long enough to create a new expanding photon, a transient knot of energy, carrying the memory of its future root. Expanding photons are simply the foam tips of expanding dark waves, detectable but never permanent. Amplify it, Savorinen. Scale the mechanism to the galactic level. The principle is exactly the same as for electrons and photons, only the scale is now astronomical. The same mechanism magnified by billions. Galactic center, supermassive objects push out trillions of separate expanding dark matter density peaks as a continuous outward flowing pressure wave. When these expanding peaks meet at the right angle, or when two supermassive flows brush past each other, the pressure rises, the rhythm locks, and the peaks cannot separate as fast as they themselves expand. In that moment, a new expanding star forms by the exact same mechanism. Only now the structure is stellar and the energy scale immense. Reveal it, Savorinen. Show where the cosmic rhythm truly began. Expanding supermassive objects were born in their own three-dimensional primordial bursts, already far apart from one another, each in its own sector. These separate three dimensions outbursts also produced expanding background radiations, which traveled long distances alone in sparse, unsynchronized environments. Only much later, when these background radiations finally met, their expanding energies interacted, and they accelerated accelerated each other's expansion, their motion increasing in the same proportion as their internal growth. This created the smooth isotropic background radiation. Mistaken for a single explosion, the weight is truly the synchronized echo of many 3 primordial bursts. And now everybody, just go Google Savorinen, the dude, the one, the man who figured out how universe really works.